It is no surprise that Elon Musk has been applauded as one of the biggest inventors of the 21st century. Even a mere look at Musk's inventions will make it clear that this man is on a spree to transform the Earth. From e-banking platforms like PayPal to electrically powered cars, Elon Musk is the mastermind behind a wide range of inventions. Welcome back, guys, and I hope you are doing amazing. Are you mesmerized by Musk's out-of-the-box ideas and are wondering what the future will be like through his lens? Well, you have come to the right place, because in this video we will be talking about Musk's future plans. Hyperloop. The idea about traveling in vacuum tubes has been an old heritage. It was in 1845 that an engineer in Britain proposed building a tube in southwest England that would propel trains at a then lightning-dizzying speed of 70 miles per hour or 110 kilometers per hour. But his idea was rendered unfeasible because of lack of technology and scarcity of materials at that time. They say history repeats itself because in 2013, Elon Musk unveiled his idea about underground transportation system called Hyperloop. Musk has proudly called it as the fifth means of transport, and its main goal is ultra-fast city travel, which is unaffected by traffic jams, weather conditions, and even earthquakes. His initial design was to take people from downtown San Francisco to Los Angeles, a distance of around 380 miles, in just 30 minutes, traveling at about the speed of sound. This high-speed rail system is scheduled to begin functioning in 2028. When it comes to the operation of Hyperloop, it works by propelling specially designed pressurized pods or capsules using electromagnetic force inside a near vacuum tube to minimize air friction and drag. To explain it in a fun analogy, Hyperloop is a wheelless transport system in which the pods are designed to float on air skis, just like your average air hockey table. But a deeper analysis of this technology does raise some questions too. There are many people around us who suffer from motion sickness even at average speeds, so traveling at a speed of sound will greatly intensify the dizzying effects. Moreover, constructing such a specialized train-in-tube requires highly technical skills, so that will augment the manufacturing cost. Environmentalists have also voiced their concerns how its vast installation will require cutting of a large number of trees and hence disturbance of the ecosystem. Neuralink. The art of communicating with other people using the brain has been around since the 19th century, but what about a technology that can help humans interact with machines using their brains? It was only in 2019 when Elon Musk and his members publicly revealed their lofty futuristic vision, which is a brain chip called Neuralink. This chip, which was called the Fitbit in your skull with tiny wires by Elon Musk, is about the size of a coin and would be implanted in a person's skull with electrodes roughly 20 times thinner than a human hair fanning out into their brain. Our brain is made up of millions of functional units called neurons. These neurons work by the transmission of electrical signals. Neuralink works by detecting these signals and then translates these signals into action or movement. Musk promised that the Neuralink technology will enable someone with paralysis to use a smartphone with their mind faster than someone using thumbs. The reason for its implantation directly in the brain is because if placed outside, it will not be able to detect the signals accurately. It is an excellent way to study the complex electrical activity occurring inside a brain because Neuralink is equipped with an extensive network of 1,024 electrodes, and, theoretically speaking, these electrodes can even stimulate the brain. Until now, the chip has successfully been implanted in two animals, Pager the macaque monkey and Gertrude the pig. In April 2021, a video was shared in which a monkey can be seen playing a classic paddle game using thought signals, but the human brain is wired differently than a monkey brain. Still, Musk is very hopeful about this technology, and it is soon aiming for clinical trials after getting approval from the FDA. However, this brain chip is not as above suspicion as it seems to be. The foremost doubt is the chip's vulnerability to hacks and destructive attacks. Even the thought of it is scary as heck because no one wants to see a Black Mirror episode happening in real life. Tesla bot. What is that business which Musk believes has a greater potential than his electrical cars over time? It is a humanoid robot called Tesla bot. It has the adjective Tesla because it runs on the same AI used by Tesla's fleet of autonomous vehicles. When it comes to the appearance of this robot, it is a bit towards the creepy side, with a height of 5 feet 8 inches and weighing around 125 pounds, as it is made up of lightweight materials. Musk claims that this bot is there to assist humans in a world which is built by humans, and it is for humans. And that is why it is built in a specific way that the average person will easily be able to overpower it or outrun it in case of a wrong course of events. It is called a humanoid for a reason because in the place of its face, there is a screen to display useful information. On the other hand, it has 40 electromechanical actuators to enable smooth movement, and thus imitating human-level hands. When talking about its software, which is based on Tesla's autopilot software, the bot is equipped with 8 cameras that feed information into the neural network Tesla has specified for its FSD software. And that is the reason Musk called it semi-sentient robots on wheels. The neuronal network mimics the working of the human brain in a way that permits the vehicle to analyze its surroundings via cameras and determine what it needs to do when it encounters obstacles by identifying and labeling different routes and images. Are you tired of all those boring and repetitive physical tasks which drain your energy? Well, say no more. This Tesla bot is all there for you. It can carry around 145 pounds of weight and even rush to the supermarket to fetch groceries for you. Musk is quite positive that the bot will revolutionize the labor market and cut down economic costs. He asserts that, in the future, physical work will just be a choice and not a necessity. Elon has announced that the prototype of this humanoid robot will be released in 2022, so let us see how long we have to wait for bots to take over our menial tasks. Tesla Cybertruck. Now, finally comes the Tesla product which made big rounds on the internet. The social media was full of memes about the unusual shape of this envisioned vehicle. Despite it all, one thing we must admit that this Cybertruck looks from another world. It seems like a prop straight from a sci-fi movie. Elon has hired a highly creative design team. This Blade Runner-esque looking vehicle sits 6 people and is equipped with a 6.5-foot bed, which is called a Cybertruck Vault. The most exhilarating feature about this monster-looking vehicle is Tesla Armor Glass, which vows to offer protection from even the fiercest of heavy object enemies. This electrically charged vehicle has an enormous range of 800 kilometers just on one single charge. It is a super heavy-duty truck that promises to tow as much as 14,000 pounds or 6,000 kilograms, all single-handedly. Its interior is an epitome of futuristic style. It is equipped with a massive 17-inch touchscreen loaded with an all-new customized user interface. This vehicle is super generous about storage, as there is additional storage space under the second-row seat. And, at the end, its mind-boggling speed deserves a special mention. The tri-motor all-wheel drive setup powers it with an insane acceleration to go from nothing to 100 km per hour in less than 2.9 seconds. Its unique design is either love it or loathe it, but it is a bit weird because it disrupts the normal driving experience. The drivers have a very limited field of vision, so the chances of accidents are greatly increased. This monster truck was scheduled to release in 2021, but Tesla is infamous for its postponements, and hence the release is delayed until 2023. Starship. Coming towards the end of the list, I would like to give a small mention about Elon's love for space travel. He has developed a vehicle called Starship that might bring out radical changes in the traditional space travel setup. It is the largest and most powerful spaceship ever, and it might be the tool to fulfill Musk's dreams about humans landing on Mars. The first orbital launch of this new generation rocket ship is scheduled in 2022. Tesla PiPhone will also be a magical invention by Elon Musk. Check out all leaks and features about Tesla PiPhone by clicking this video right here. So guys, that's all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future content. Goodbye till the next video.